Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Surfshark privacy features and alert settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Surfshark app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration menu. In the settings menu, locate the privacy section. Click on the privacy section to expand its options. Here, you'll find options like camouflage mode and whitelist. Enable camouflage mode for enhanced privacy while browsing. Next, check the kill switch option. Make sure the kill switch is turned on to block internet access if your VPN disconnects. Scroll down to find DNS leak protection. Toggle this feature on to prevent DNS leaks. Return to the main settings menu to find alert settings. Locate the notifications section within the settings. Review the available notification options. You can choose to enable or disable alerts based on your preferences. Adjust the settings to suit your needs for privacy alerts. Once satisfied with your selections, exit the settings menu. Finally, test your configuration by connecting to a VPN server. Monitor for any notifications that may pop up related to your privacy settings. This will ensure that everything is functioning as intended. If any issues arise, revisit the settings for adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.